Today we're finally building an Antec's new Flux. Potentially could be the case of the year, and we're finally getting our hands on it. We're starting off with the MSI Gaming Edge Ti Max. That's a mouthful. That's an absolutely beautiful motherboard coming over from MSI, 14700K, which is really a good CPU right now with the 7800X3D really being on back order and not available across the market. A 2TB NVMe drive coming from Kingston and the KC3000, which is one of our favorite drives here on the channel. We've got 32 gigs of Team Expert 6400 MHz CL32 RAM, and then we've got the 4070 Ti Super going here in the beautiful Gaming X Slim white version. Let us know what you think down below in the comments.
3, 2, 1.